We got the Evo guys today. Just gonna wait a little bit for the car to warm up. No gas. We just got some rain today, guys. I hope you guys can hear the blow off. Gonna go put some gas right now. Says do not enter, but fuck it. Who gives a fuck, huh? I need gas. $45, guys. The car was empty. $45. Oh my gosh. The gas is so expensive right now. Receipt? No. Let's go. Full? Let's see if it's full. It has to be full, yes. Mitsubishi! I'm gonna put the seat belt because if I don't put the seat belt, it's gonna be annoying as fuck. And yeah guys, this is a SST transmission, it's automatic, not manual. Come on man. I'm just gonna stop guys and show you the car from outside. Long story short guys, cold air intake, blow-off valve, bigger intercooler right here, also exhaust manifold, map, downpipe and everything.